So when we're talking about the ratios of the sides of the right angle triangle, so let's suppose we have the triangle MNQ, and let's suppose theta is
Yeah.
going to be my acute angle, which is under consideration, the angle which is
Hmm.
under emphasis. I hope you're understanding, right?
Yeah.
And which is why, I have said that, this side right in front of MN would be my perpendicular, and right in front of 90 degrees shall be my hypotenuse, and thereby the remaining side is going to be my base. So when I have this kind of scenario, so there are certain names for the ratios that I'm going to consider. If for any right angle triangle you take the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so the ratio of that side has a name. And what sides ratio am I taking? The ratio of perpendicular is to hypotenuse. Can I not take the ratio of base upon hypotenuse? Definitely I can. Can I not take the ratio of perpendicular over base? Definitely I can. Are you understanding?
Hmm.
But who has actually told me that this MN side is perpendicular? Who has told me
Yeah.
that this MN side is perpendicular? This theta. Because of theta, I am able to recognize that this MN side is going to be my perpendicular. Understood or not? You tell me. All right. Do you
Yeah.
understand the logic? So
Hmm.
what I'm trying to tell you here is that whenever this perpendicular is being decided, this is decided with regards to theta. This base is decided with regards to theta. Do you understand? And hypotenuse is always the fixed one because that's right in front of 90 degrees. What are you basically understanding? Tell me. So we have
Hmm.
perpendicular upon hypotenuse, we have base upon hypotenuse. So we are taking the ratio of the lengths of the perpendicular and the base. And these ratios, they have a name because obviously we are deciding the perpendicular with regard to this theta only. So this is called sine theta. Okay. So the full name is
Hmm.
SIN, but for short form we write it down SIN. It's not sin, it is sine. So this is sine theta.
Okay.
So this is sine of theta.
Okay.
Because theta is
Yes.
important to do what? Sine means the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine with regards to what? With regards to theta. That in the triangle, wherever you're marking theta, according to that, you first decide what is the perpendicular and what is the base, and then the ratio accordingly shall give me the sine theta.
Hmm.
Then there is another ratio which is called as cos theta. So the full name of it is cosine theta.
Hmm.
But for
Yeah.
short form, we write it down cos theta. So cos basically means ratio of base upon hypotenuse, the ratio of base over hypotenuse with regards to the given
Hmm.
theta. And here the angle theta that I'm considering is angle Q.
Yeah.
Right? Now understand.
Yes.
This ratio of perpendicular over base, this ratio of perpendicular over base would be what? This ratio of perpendicular over base shall be called as tan theta. And the full
Hmm.
name is tangent of theta, but for short form we write down tan theta. Okay?
Okay.
So the full name,
Yes.
you just need to know the full names, but going forward, we would be utilizing the short forms. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. But the full names are sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent of theta. But is it necessary that you would be doing this ratio P over H? Couldn't this ratio be like this? Couldn't this ratio would have been H over P? Couldn't
Yes.
this ratio be H over B? See, it doesn't matter, no? Anybody can think the ratio in any way. So basically, all the mathematicians they gave this certain name. Okay, so H over P is going to be what? It is going to be cosec theta.
Hmm.
So H over P is called cosec theta.
Hmm.
H over B
Yes.
is called sec theta. The short forms are sec theta. And base upon is called cot theta. The full
Hmm.
name of, so I'm going to put theta in bracket. Theta in bracket means that with regards to theta, we are deciding who is the perpendicular. With regards to
Okay.
theta, we are deciding who is the base because hypotenuse is always the fixed value. Are you understanding?
Yes.
All right. So this is the concept. Any doubts in this? Just tell me. Okay,
Uh, yeah.
clear? So the full name of
Yeah.
cosec theta is called cosecant theta. The full name of cosec theta is called cosecant theta. The full name of sec theta is called secant theta. And the full name of cot theta is called cotangent theta. Do you understand my point? Okay. So this is the concept.
Hmm.
So we have cosec theta, we have sec theta, and we have cot theta. Understood or not? Okay. So when we are talking
Yeah.
about the ratios of the sides of the right angle triangle, MNQ, you understand my point? So
Hmm.
we can take the ratio of any sides of the triangle, and based upon that side, I can calculate all. And these are all called as the trigonometric ratios.
Yeah.
These are called as the trigonometric ratios. Understood or not?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's the concept.
Hmm.
So you have six trigonometric ratios. The six trigonometric ratios are sine theta, that is a ratio of perpendicular over h, p over h. The second ratio is cos theta, that is b over h. And then the tan theta is p
रिमेंबर
over
करना
b.
याद
The
Hmm.
fourth ratio is called cosec theta, which is h over p. The fifth ratio is called sec theta, that is h over b. And the sixth ratio is called cot theta, which is b over p. Are you understanding my point? Alright. So
Yeah.
let us suppose we have what? Let us suppose we have this right angle triangle. Okay. Let us suppose we have right angle triangle. And let's suppose I give you the sides are A, B, and C. So this is 5 centimeters given to you, AB, and this is 12 centimeters given to you. And the question says for triangle ABC, calculate all the six trigonometric ratios. Okay, that's your question.
Yeah.
So first thing is they have not given you AC, but they say the triangle ABC is right angled at B.
Yeah.
And they say that calculate all the trigonometric ratios with regards to angle A.
Hmm.
With regards to angle A. Why they are mentioning angle A? Because they want you to take angle A as theta. Okay? They want you to take angle A as theta. I hope you're understanding.
I. It's like a bit confusing for me. But